Hello, all, welcome back again. Today we'll be discussing about cross-site scripting reflected. So here we have input field where we can input our name. For example, say John, and if we send it, excuse, we submit it, we'll get John. So similar way, and let me make that security level to low first. Go to uh, class XSS reflected. So yesterday we were discussing about SQL injection blind, right? So the next thing was upload. You don't have anything uh, handy to like explain to people regarding the upload vulnerability. So once I have that information, so I'll let you know guys in the next class, coming classes. So today we'll be discussing about cross-site scripting. So for the people who are new to cross-site scripting, so you can just go on to Google and just check for cross-site scripting. So there are three types of cross-site scripting. One is reflected, next is stored, and the other one is down. So this it's like basically it's like an attacker injects a malicious code, a script into the code, and like is able to execute that script and get the details of, like for example, cookie details, uh, and so after like getting the cookie details, he can use that session ID, use that cookie and fix the, like he can use the authenticated cookie, and he can log in from his own domain and like do any malicious activity. So yeah, that is basically about it. mm, so here we have, yeah, as I said, what are the types of cross-site scripting? One is stored, takes place when the malicious payload is stored in the database or in the forms, or like wherever the input is like we are given, right? So it will be going in stored in database. And the next one is reflected, which occurs on a web application, and it's been reflected from the web server. So basically, um, so it is like reflected because it echoes back the response. And so DOM base is nothing but the attacker can use the document object module to to create and like make the um, code, and like you can use it for process scripting, and like you can take the details of the victims. Here how we can avoid. So it says never trust user input, then implement output encoding, and they say actually, so there is one thing called HTTP only flag, so we can implement that also. Yeah, so that's about the cross-site scripting types and process scripting. So today we'll be seeing about reflected process scripting. So basically, here I have script. Okay, so this is nothing but a JavaScript, wherein like this is a script tag and this is a script tag, closing tag, and we have alert. We are just giving it for checking if that works. This is reflected. So the response should be like it will should get a response immediately. Yeah, it should be reflected here. It's reflecting on the same page. Okay, and then here instead of document alert, I'll say you have been hacked. Just so yeah, here you can see, right, it says you have been hacked. And then the same way, if you want document dot cookie, cookie of this, so you'll get this cookie session ID, and like this can be used by the attacker to fix the session, and you can do any malicious activity. So that is the low level cross-site scripting, which is when the security is set to low. Let me change it to medium and check for the same. No, same scripts are not being run in case of medium. Okay, so about so let here the this is I think they are checking for the script tag. This only the script. So inside that SC, I mean like script, I'll put one more script tag, and like let me execute it, and you can see right in medium also we are security level medium, we are getting the session. So now let me change it to high. Yeah, security set to high, and when we give, and I'm giving the same in case of like in medium AK, right? So the same script I'm giving, it's not executing. So after VS and giving it, so it's not executed. Let me see if I have any scripts to execute on for the high level. Don't have anything. No, I'm not getting it. So if anyone knows it, let me know any script. Just there's an image tag or any script that I can run here for high level security. And I'll also find it out if I'll get it, and I'll execute and show you people in the next class. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.